In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on Warriorplus, and I'm going to show you how to do this using 100% free traffic, which means you don't need to invest any money in ads or any other tools. I'm going to show you how to make money step by step in today's video. And this is coming from someone who has made over $100,000 on Warriorplus. But I stopped using it to focus on other projects, but now I'm back to Warriorplus, and as you can see right on your screen, in the past 7 days I've made over $450, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did this and how you can replicate this and scale this to the moon. So the very first thing you want to do, for those who don't know Warriorplus, is to simply head over to warriorplus.com website to sign up for a free account. So once you come over to their website, all you simply need to do is to click on sign up for free. So once you do that, just like any other regular website out there, it's going to ask you to enter your username, password, email address, and that is all you need to do to create your Warriorplus account. Once your Warriorplus account is created, your dashboard is going to look like this, and this is where you are going to see the top product on Warriorplus. You can see the top product for yesterday, for the past 7 days, and for the past 30 days. This basically tells you these are the products that are making affiliates serious money on Warriorplus. So once you come over here, as you can see, there's the marketplace section. There's also a section for vendor, and there's also another one for affiliates. So this section is where we are going to be focusing on, because we are going to be promoting other people's products on Warriorplus to make money on this platform. Okay, so you want to come over to the affiliate section and you want to click on offers. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and this is where you are going to see a list of all the products that are available on Warriorplus. But there are certain things you want to look out for before you pick any product to promote on this platform. The most important of all is to go over to where it says refund rate. So you want to make sure to go for products that have 0 to 5% refund rate, because you don't want to end up making sales and then people asking for refund afterwards. So it's going to be a waste of time and energy for you once people start requesting for refunds, and basically that tells you the vendor of that product did not deliver on what they promised. So you want to make sure to go for products that have 0 to 5% refund rate. So the second thing you want to look out for is the conversion rate of the product. So you want to make sure to go for products that have at least 10% conversion rate, which means once you send your traffic to the sales page of the product, at least 10% of people who go to that landing page are going to make a purchase. So it's very important you go for products that have at least 10% conversion rate, which tells you that product is actually converting. So these are the two most important criteria you want to look out for before you pick any product on Warriorplus. So I'm going to take this product here as an example, AI Movie Maker. So this product here is going to basically help people to create full-length movies. All right. And as you can see for yourself, for every sale we make, we can potentially earn anywhere from $7 to $683. And the reason is because this product has a lot of upsells, which means this vendor has a lot of upsells. So the more people purchase different packages in this product, the more money you are going to make. Okay, so that is why you are going to earn from $7 to $683 for every customer you refer to this product. And as you can see here, it has a conversion rate of 15%, which means if you send 100 people to this landing page, at least 15 people are going to purchase that product. So now the next thing you want to do, once you find a very suitable product like this one, you want to simply click on request approval. So basically, if you have a brand new account and you've never made a sale on your account, you want to make sure to include a note here, basically telling the vendor of this product you have traffic that is going to convert for this product, which is a win-win situation because they are going to make a sale and you are going to get paid your commission as well. So you can type in something very simple like this. Hello, I'm reaching out because I believe my film making audience would absolutely love the AI Movie Maker 2.02. can you provide me my affiliate link? Since we already know these are the people who are most likely to use this tool, and you want to click on request offer, it's that simple. So you want to wait for 24 to 48 hours to get a response from this vendor, and most likely they are going to provide you with your affiliate link. And once they do, you can then go over to the next step where you're going to start driving traffic and start making money. And as I promised in the beginning of this video, we are going to be using 100% free traffic. And the traffic source we are going to be using is Facebook. And hear me out, we are not going to be coming over to Facebook and spamming our affiliate link. That does not work at all. I'm going to show you how to use AI to do all the work for you and make a lot of money. However, before we start promoting this product on Facebook, you want to make sure to go to the sales page of that product. And you want to do that by clicking on this view sales page. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to the sales page of this product. And like I mentioned earlier, the target audience for this AI movie maker are film makers, okay, because it's going to help them produce movies easier and faster. Okay, so basically once you come over to the sales page of the product, you want to make sure it's something you want to promote and the product is not spammy. All right, as you can see right here, people just simply need to type in their movie idea in this AI tool, and as you can see here, it's going to generate the AI tool for them, which they can also customize as well. And once they generate the movie, they can publish this movie and start making profit. And as you can see here, they can publish it to websites like Netflix, Amazon, and other websites to make money. So this is a tool that can help a lot of filmmakers out there to make money with their crafts. All right. So now that we know this product is legit and this product offers a lot of value to people in the filmmaking industry, we can start promoting this product right away. So once you come over to Facebook, all you simply need to do is to type in a keyword related to people we are targeting, and that is the filmmakers. And you want to make sure to then filter to groups. And as you can see here, there are thousands of people we can target here. You can see this group has over 82,000 members. You can see this one here, 14,000 members. You can see this one, aspiring filmmakers, 22,000 members. So these are a lot of people we can target, and keep in mind, for every sale we can get paid from $700 to $600 per customer. So now you want to basically join all of this group by clicking on this join button. So after joining the Facebook group, like I promised you, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to do all the hard work for you, which means with just 10 to 15 minutes a day, you can use this method to start making money on Warriorplus affiliate program. Okay, so you want to go over to deepseek.com. It's an AI tool just like ChatGPT, but it's more powerful than ChatGPT. All you simply need to do is to type in a prompt here, and it's going to generate the prompt for you, which we are going to be using in Facebook in a moment. So once you come over to DeepSeek, which is 100% free, by the way, you want to come over to the message section, and here you want to type in a simple prompt like this: give me 10 non-spammy Facebook posts for filmmaker group. Okay, so this is going to depend on the type of audience you are targeting or whatever product you are promoting. Okay, and you can change this number from 10 to any number of your choice, and you want to click on send. So once you do that, in just a few seconds, this tool is going to generate the answer for you. And keep in mind, this normally would take you like 30 minutes or an hour to think of the type of post you want to make in that Facebook group so that you don't get your post deleted by the moderator of that Facebook group. As you can see here, we have 10 ideas we can use to make a Facebook post. As you can see, the first type of post here, you can make an educational post in the Facebook group. You can see an example here is 5 ways AI is revolutionizing filmmaking. So this basically is going to get users of that Facebook group to engage with your post. So here is also another example here, the interactive poll example. All right, so you can see it shows us an example here. We can simply copy and paste and post it to that Facebook group, which says, what is your biggest challenge when making a film? Let us know and we might have a solution for you. all you just need to do is to copy this post and you want to go over to the Facebook groups. Okay, so if I come over to this Facebook group, so once you come over to the Facebook group, all you just need to do is to come over to where it says write something. And here you want to then make sure to type in the post like this. And here you want to make sure to click on this button as well. And you want to make sure to give it any background like this. What is your biggest challenge when making a film? Let us know and we might have a solution for you. So you want to create this type of post here. You want to go over to your Warrior Plus account. And once you've gotten your affiliate link, you want to simply copy the affiliate link to the product. So once you copy the link to the product, you can come over to any URL shortener of your choice and you can simply paste in the affiliate link in this box and shorten the affiliate link. You can also use bit.ly.com to do this as well by clicking on this shorten a link, and this is where you then want to paste in your affiliate link and get the shortened link. So this is all you simply need to do to grab your link, and once people start engaging, you want to start replying people and sending them the affiliate link. Is that simple. So basically you want to repeat this process for as many Facebook groups in this niche as possible. And I can assure you, you're going to start driving traffic to your affiliate page. And keep in mind, we already know this product has a 15% conversion rate, which means for every 100 clicks you get, you're going to get 15 people purchasing the product. So now that you know how this method works, you can basically come back to your Warrior Plus account and you can repeat this same process over and over again. And this is how you scale your affiliate earnings quickly on Warrior Plus.